Are you looking for the top 5 best tool sets for boat owners? Everyone thinks the most popular tool set is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Cartman 39-piece set. The Cartman 39-piece household tool set caught my attention because of its bright orange color and compact design, priced at just $22.99. If you want a reliable starter kit for basic boat repairs, this is worth a serious look. This tool set is designed for everyday use, featuring essentials like a hammer, pliers, and a variety of screwdrivers, perfect for those small fixes you might encounter on your boat. The heat-treated, chrome-plated tools resist corrosion, which is a big deal for marine environments. Plus, the included toolbox keeps everything organized, so you won't be rummaging through a messy pile of tools when you need one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you're out on the water, the last thing you want is to be struggling with disorganized tools when a quick fix is needed. Now, some people complained about the size of the tools being a bit small, especially for tougher jobs. Here's the thing though, this set is great for light repairs and maintenance tasks. If you're looking for heavy-duty tools, this may not be the right fit, but for quick tasks, it works wonders. This is perfect for you if you're a boat owner just starting out, or if you need a lightweight set for casual repairs. Skip this one if you only want heavy-duty tools for extensive repairs. At $22.99, it's a solid value for what you get. Now, if the limited size of the Cartman tools bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Eastvolt 128-piece set. Next up, we've got the Eastvolt 128-piece home repair tool set for $28.99. This one stood out because of its comprehensive range of tools designed specifically for boat maintenance and general home repairs. If you want versatility in your toolkit, this is one to consider. Featuring high-quality steel tools finished in heat-treated chrome, this set includes a claw hammer, precision screwdrivers, and an adjustable wrench. What's great about this is that you can tackle a variety of repairs, from fixing small leaks to adjusting hardware on your boat. The blow-molded storage toolbox is designed for easy organization, so you won't lose track of smaller components, which is crucial when you're on a boat. Here's why this matters for you. Having a complete set means you're prepared for unexpected repairs during your outings. However, some users reported that the toolbox can feel bulky when trying to stow it away. Here's the thing. While it might take up some space, the trade-off is having all those tools handy. If you need to be prepared for anything, it's a worthwhile compromise. This is perfect for you if you want a broad range of tools for various tasks on your boat and home. Skip this if you prefer a more compact option for minimal repairs. For $28.99, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. All right, that was a solid option.
Product number 3, King Tool 325-piece set. The King Tool 325-piece home repair toolkit is priced at $112.99, and honestly, it's impressive. This massive set is perfect for boat owners who want to be fully equipped for any situation. If you're serious about DIY projects or repairs, this one is worth checking out. This kit includes everything from screwdrivers to a complete range of sockets, all housed in a durable toolbox with a sliding drawer for easy access. The high-quality materials ensure durability and longevity, which is essential for tools exposed to tough conditions. Here's why this matters. Having a wide variety means you can confidently tackle any repair, whether it's on your boat or at home. The convenience of having all these tools organized is a lifesaver during those urgent moments. Now, some folks found the price tag a bit steep for a home toolkit, but here's the thing. If you're serious about maintaining your boat and want the right tools at your fingertips, this investment pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're a handyman or a boat enthusiast who values having all the right tools. Skip this if you only need a few tools for minor repairs. At $112.99, it's a great investment for serious DIYers. Now, if that price point made you hesitate, check out this next option that balances quality and cost.
Product number 4, Amazon Basics 173-piece set. The Amazon Basics 173-piece general household hand tool set is priced at $58.79 and is an excellent choice for many boat owners. I was genuinely surprised by the quality for the price. If you want a reliable set without breaking the bank, this is a solid pick. This set includes essential tools like combination wrenches, a ratchet wrench, and pliers, all made of durable materials that resist corrosion. The blow-molded case makes it portable and easy to store, which is crucial if you're tight on space on your boat. Here's why this matters. Having a varied toolkit means you can handle everyday maintenance without worrying about the tools being up to standard. However, some users mentioned that the plastic handles can feel a bit flimsy compared to metal ones. Here's my take. While the handles might not be as robust, the overall functionality of the tools is still impressive for basic repairs. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable yet comprehensive toolkit for everyday repairs. Skip this if you prefer more heavy-duty equipment for tougher jobs. At $58.79, it's a great deal for what you get. Alright, we're down to our last pick, which is a bit more special.
Product number 5, Cresolvia 328-piece set. Finally, we have the Cresolvia 328-piece toolkit for $79.99. This kit is designed for those who want a wider variety of tools in one place. I love that it's comprehensive and well organized. If you want a complete set for every conceivable repair, this is a great choice. The toolbox features a drawer system that provides easy access to a variety of tools, making it perfect for both home and boat repairs. The premium materials used in the tools ensure they can withstand tough jobs, and with 328 pieces, you're likely to find the right tool for anything you need to fix. Here's why this matters. Versatility is key when you're maintaining your boat, and having a comprehensive kit on hand saves you from running to the store for that one missing tool. Some users have pointed out that the size of the toolbox can be cumbersome to handle, but here's the thing. While it's larger, the organization and range of tools definitely make up for it. This is perfect for you if you want a toolkit that covers all bases for repairs. Skip this if you have very limited.
So there you have it. The Cartman 39-piece set is great for beginners. The Eastvolt 128-piece set offers versatility. The King Tool 325-piece set is for serious DIYers. The Amazon Basics 173-piece set is a budget-friendly option, and the Cresolvia 328-piece set covers all your bases. Each has its strengths, so choose based on your specific needs.